Super excited about today because I'm gonna show you how to make this dinner in under 30 minutes. Super easy and just a few ingredients. So enough talking because we're wasting time. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is to put some water to boil. That's obviously going to be for your pasta, so you want to get the water started as soon as possible. As the water's heating up, you're going to add just a little bit of olive oil to a frying pan and saute your onions for about 5 minutes. Don't worry about the size of your sliced onions, just chop it however which way you want. It's all going to end up beautifully in the sauce anyway. And while you're waiting, you might as well take that time to chop up your mushrooms. I normally use white or button mushrooms, but these were cremini, I don't know how you pronounce it, but those types, the brown mushrooms. And you also want to take your Brussels sprouts and slice them in half. And once your onions are ready, you're going to add in your protein. For this recipe, I am using lean beef. I'm also going to add in my salt, black pepper, and dried parsley. Keep stirring, keep mixing until all of your beef is almost completely cooked through. And at that time, you're going to add in your mushrooms. They're gonna look massive at this moment, but don't worry, once they cook through, they're gonna shrink, they're gonna lose their water. They'll be fine. You're gonna love it, trust me. The pasta I'm using is cappelletti. I think that's the name, I think that's the pronunciation. And I picked it up because I just thought it looked really cool. And all I did to that was add it to the water and follow the directions for how long it would take. Okay, so once your beef is completely mixed through and the mushrooms have clearly shrunken in size, you're going to transfer all of the contents of the frying pan to another pot, a much bigger pot. Then you're gonna add in a can of your favorite tomato sauce. Homemade or store-bought. Listen, we're short on time, right? And keep that going on a medium-high heat. So here's the cool part. Once you've removed all the contents of the frying pan into the other pot, now you're gonna take your Brussels sprouts, turn them face down, and let them sizzle and blacken in the frying pan. And make sure to keep that pan also on a medium-high heat. It also won't take very long, so make sure to keep your eyes on it. By this time, your pasta should be ready. So what you want to do is to drain only about 3/4 of the water, and then add the entire contents of that pot into the larger pot with the tomato sauce. This type of recipe has always been one of my go-tos when I'm hungry and I want to eat something quick. I love it and I hope you do too. So when you give it a go, let me know the results in the comments below. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.